Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'm going to be making a Clockwork steampunk chair. This is all material from watches, e-waste material. Lots of material to pick from here, as you can see. That would be the charm bottle. There's gold filigree upon it. And there's also a recycled chain here, as you can see. Lots of very tiny brass watch pieces. Got some copper induction coils. Lots of clasps and shiny bits and glow-in-the-dark hands. Lots of other materials. So let's make some interesting charm today. I'll pick through all these bits. Not sure what to put in first. Let's go for one of these, copper induction part and the timing mechanism. There's some nice gold bits to it as well. There's a bearing, very small watch bearing. Strange component. That's definitely going in there. A timing crystal, that'll also go in there. Bit of gold. Actually, I'll take all the components out I'm going to be using. There are a great many. Then I'll show you. Makes sense. Gonna need quite a lot actually, I reckon. Some hands here. There's nice copper coloration on them. Pointy. And gold ones, yes there is. Always nice to have some more gold bits in there. Get it nice and shiny, more high quality. Got lots of clasps in here and some screws. Pick out some of the plastic ones. We don't want too many plastic ones. Not too much plastic in steampunk. Lots of nice components in here though. Really difficult to pick up even with these tiny tweezers due to the absolutely tiny size of these watch components. A lot of them are absolutely minuscule. That's incredible. Machines that must make these must be very small indeed. That's if they're made by machines. Probably not, probably made by a human. We've got a light bulb by there, that fit the steampunk theme quite nicely. Let's have a look at all these components. Look at all them, very shiny. Vast variety of small cogs and wheels and gears and levers, hands of different types, some gold plated, some brass plated. Timing crystal that contains silver, it's that cylinder in the middle. And inside there we already have the bearing on the copper induction coil. So let's continue making the thing. Looks quite good already. They haven't even filled it up yet. Place all these components in here. Sort of bent some of these fine gearings and wheels. few on the bottom. Okay. Some of these hands in there. Nice. Little weight, pendulum type thing. Suppose that's appropriate. Pendulum clocks and such. Incredibly small, fine components, these. Looking quite nice. Put in a larger component. See shaft of a watch dial. Nice gold plated dome upon it. Put that light bulb in there. See if I can get a nice placement. Do I can? Neat. And at the final few bits, there's some tiny screws here. Again, good for the steampunk sort of theme, or clockwork theme. Bit of both. It's nicely getting filled now. There's a few hands. These are shattered bits of wood. Like as in from a clock tower sort of thing. Couple of bits, nothing much, not major. Still lots of components left within there. Split ring opener, some pliers. Nice brass sort of coloured chain to fit the theme. Dusty. It's off the box. Let's have an investigate. There it is, the steampunk clockwork chain. Quite hard to see, but I will take better images and post them on my Instagram. There's loads of interesting things on there. But look at that. It's very shiny indeed. Quite nice, would you agree? It's incredibly reflective due to all the silver and gold within there. Wow. But look at that. It's like a little tower of broken clock pieces. There's even a light bulb in there, as you can see. An extremely small light bulb. Some copper and gearings. It's a neat little piece. A little golden dome. Wow. It's actually quite nice. So, clockwork chain. Very small piece, mini. Well, until next Jewellery Craft.